Excel allows text in multiple cells to be joined together using a concatenation function. So in the formula box, equals CONCAT, left parenthesis, select the first cell, comma, a space between two quotation marks, select another cell, equals. So here are two cells with a space between them added to a new location. Another option is to delimitate, to add some sort of text between two or more cells. So TEXTJOIN, you'll notice the text tooltip or the formula tooltip shows you the syntax required for this formula. So TEXTJOIN, left parenthesis, a dash between quotation marks, true, and then a range. And now we have a delimited result.